go. We're headed to the beach.
We're ready.
You know what campsite we're at? 1, 2, 3.
We're here. Now time to unload.
Our campground. Look at, good job. You got that football.
We just made it. Putting up our first tent. And we got an ocean view. Yay, we made it camping. Wow. Oh, whoops, I'm recording.
Hey, where's my lighter, honey? I'm gonna light this thing up. What do you think? This is gonna be an awesome fire tonight. Next picture I take will be when this thing's this high. Cool?
Cool.
Girlfriend, this is the life, girl. Come on.
So beautiful.
He does it every time. Start it going. There he goes, man.
Do you doubt me?
I don't.
Okay, we'll see.
I use so much brush, Kindle. See? Kind of starting.
She got that started.
She's got the Indian in her.
I know.
She just stacked like that.
Wow.